In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Miro with Jira in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step together so you can seamlessly connect these two powerful tools, enabling you to enhance your project management capabilities and boost productivity with visual collaboration. Let's dive right in. The first step is to go over to the Atlassian website. You can easily find it by searching for Atlassian in your browser, or you can use any saved links if you frequently visit. Atlassian offers a range of collaboration software, ideal for software IT and business teams. Once you're there, look in the upper right-hand corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will prompt you to log into your Atlassian account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account following their simple registration process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Jira homepage. Here is where all your projects live, and navigating this hub is crucial for effective project management. From this page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. This will be your main navigation space for Jira. Next, focus your attention on the Apps section of this menu. Click on Apps, where you'll find a list of various integrations and tools that can seamlessly enhance your Jira experience. If you scroll a bit through the options, you'll notice a button that says Explore More Apps. Clicking on this will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, your go-to place for third-party applications, including our focus for today, Miro. Once you're on the Marketplace page, you'll need to search for Miro. This can be done in the search bar, typically positioned at the top of the page. Just type Miro into the search box and press Enter. In an instant, Miro will appear in your search results. Miro is adored for its dynamic and flexible whiteboarding capabilities. It's a fantastic tool for brainstorming, planning, and visualizing teamwork. Proceed by clicking on the Miro app from the search results. This action will open up the Miro app page, where you can learn more about its features, benefits, and user reviews, helping you to make an informed decision. Once you're ready, look for the Installation button. This is how you'll add the Miro integration to your Jira platform. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. The process itself is straightforward, but be sure to carefully read any permissions or access requests that Miro might need. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Miro with Jira. You can now enjoy the enhanced collaboration and visualization advantages that this integration brings. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to leave your questions or comments below if you need further clarification. Happy collaborating!